Let's draw a kitty squishmallow. First, I'm going to start out with that classic squishmallow shape where it's an oval but gets a little bit rounder at the bottom. Next, I'm going to add in the kitty ears. And now I'm just adding in the spots for the kitty that will be different colors. So I'm going to do pink and gray. Next, I'm adding in the kitty's eyes, nose, and whiskers. So take your first color and color in one of the kitty's ears. Take your second color in the second ear, and then you're going to color in this little spot at the bottom of the squishmallow. And that's it. Once you color in the nose, you're all done, and there is your kitty squishmallow. Be sure to like and subscribe for more drawing videos.